Welcome. My name is Will. I'm the farm manager of Verticroft Dubai Farm, and let me show you a quick tour of our farm. First, you need to take a foot bath. All right, good stuff. Ready to go. All right, let me show you how we feed our sheep. I want to show you our hydroponic growing rooms where we grow our feed for our sheep. So fresh feed day by day. Each day we're doing 1 ton of feed for all our sheep. Due to our agrotech expertise, we can do this in the hot climate of Dubai and produce perfect rest each time. All right, so now that you've seen our grass, onto the sheep. Important, I'm going to need you to sanitize your feed 1 point. Alright, so now we get on to the most important end of the business. It's our sheep, the Australian white. They are a meat producing sheep, very good, very conditioned for this climate. We have our replacement ewes. As you can see, we have a very nice shade cover for them during the hot times of the day. We tend to not handle sheep during the hottest time of the day to reduce stress. Very strict health checkups, inspections of each pen. They are all housed in micro pens, feeding them based on their requirements, maintenance. So what we've done is we've planted a bunch of damask trees, local damask trees. This helps to bring down the temperature, the surrounding temperature between the sheds and the air moving through the sheds. And luckily for us, it's brought some new friends. We brought some birds in. They like the trees, they nest here, but then they also help reduce flies. So it's a win-win for us. You can think about it as a mini ecosystem. It's very important for us because we save costs on pest control and it just creates a very nice natural environment. We have our 2 Tacticule stud rams. So these are our Tacticule stud rams. Each ram's cost goes up to 75,000 Aussie dollars. They are the pinnacle of the Tacticule genetics. These guys are big, they're very heavy, and they eat a lot. They're very hungry. Our main goals are always to be sustainable and ethical towards our animals, and we've been proven to do this by applying correct husbandry practices and farming practices. For any more information, please head over to our website verticroft.com